Okay, good morning student. Wednesday 8B maths class. We will revise two topic of fifth chapter. Then we will introduce one new topic. But for that you need some formula to by add. So formula number 1, a plus b total square is equal to a square 2ab plus b square. Wait, I am talking about that. A square minus 2ab plus b square. Third formula is a plus b, a minus b, a square minus b square. And fourth, a plus b cube is equal to a cube 3a square b 3ab square plus b cube. Fifth, a minus b cube. All terms will be the same. A cube 3a square b 3ab square b cube. So plus minus like that. Here all are plus. Here plus minus. One more formula. X plus a, x plus b, x square plus x, a plus b plus ab. Now we will revise and do that. For example, 5.1 we will revise 9x minus 5t, 9x plus 3t. It will be direct multiply 9 into 9. So square of first term plus first term minus 5 plus 3t minus 5t 3t 81x square plus 9x minus 5 is a 50 t square 9 to the 80 xt square 81. This is this formula, and it is given x plus 1 by x, x minus 1 by x. This is this formula. So square of first term minus square of second term. Switch off the mic. This is x square minus 1 by x square. Ayan. So this is first example, this is second example of previous chapter. Sorry, previous exercise. Now cube 5.2. 7x plus 8y cube. So this is a plus b cube type. A cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. 7x plus 8y a square b cube. Eight y cube. 7 cube. 7 sevens are 49. 49 sevens are 343. Termites. 3 7 sevens are 49. X square. 8 y's only. 3 7x. 8 8 is 64 y square. 8 8 is 64 into 8. 512 y cube. Now again simplifying. 343 x cube plus 8 is 25 into 49. Plus 7 is 21 into 64. 192 x y square. X cube, x square, x 0. 3 2 1 0. For x it is 3 2 1 0. For y it is 3 2 1 0. That you have to check when there are two alphabets. If there are only one alphabet at that time, हाँ से बच्चा है. This part not visible. Now it is clear this side. Now say now because from here so this is plus. For that 101 also it is given as a numerical. One zero one cube. It is 100 plus 1 cube. So a plus b cube. It is a cube plus 3ab a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. So it is 101 cube. So 100 cube 3 into 100 square into 1 plus 3 into 100 into 1 plus 1 cube. Two, 4, 6. 100 into 100 into 100 means 1 and 6 times 0. Then 100 square 4 times 0. 10,000 into 3, 30,000. This is 300. This is 1. 10 lakh 30,000 301. That is a cube of 101. Follow? Because of the rain, no, there is a network problem. For example, one more we are doing 53 cube. It is 50 plus 3 cube. So hello. Now it is coming. Because of heavy rain, no, there is a problem of network. A plus b cube is equal to a cube 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. So 50 plus 3 so 50 cube plus 3, 50 square, 3, 3, 50, 3 square, 3. So this first, 50 into 50 into 50. So do 5 into 5 into 5, that is 125. And 3 zeros. 50, 50, 2500. 3 threes are 9. 9 times 25. 9 times 25. 25 nines are. It is 225. 22500. 3 threes are 9. 3s are 27. 27 5s are. 27 5s are. 27 5s is 135. And 450 is this 0. 3 3s are 9, 3s are 27. Now make a total. Take a screenshot. I want to remove all the things. Take screenshot. Now cube with the minus. A minus B cube, A cube 3A square B plus 3AB square plus B cube, that is 7x minus 9y cube. So plus minus, sorry, last term. First you have to write a standard formula. Now A is 7x, so wherever the A you put 7x, 7x, 7x. Your B is 9y, so wherever B 9y, 9y, 9y. Now simplify. 7 sevens are 49, sevens are 343. This is 9 nines are 81, nines are 729. Now minus 3, 7 sevens are 49x, 9y plus 3, 7x, 81y square. Now this will be the same. Last term will be the same. (49, 27). 9 is a 27. 27 49s are. This is x square inside, so x square y, then this is xy square. 7 is a 21, 21 81. Follow this. Now this we will take with numericals. Number. It is 58 cube. So 60 minus 2 cube. So a minus b cube. It is a cube 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. A cube b cube 3a square b 3ab square plus minus like that you have to remember in minus, and in plus all are plus. So 60 minus 2 cube 60 cube six six are 36, 36 six are 216. Minus 3 is a 6, 6 6 are 36, 6 are 216, but this time 20. Two is a 4, 4 is a 12, 12 6 are 2 is a 4, 4 is a 12, 12 6 are 72. 2 is a 4, 2 is a 8. So my plus we will make the total. So it will 1 216 720. This and this we can add, that is 21608. Ten, 2, 1, 1, 1, 5, 90. 1,95,112. It is a cube of 58. From my AB method, if you will find cube root of this, you will get 58. Then your answer is correct. So sometime no back calculation also very important. Next, again, today no, there is a big problem because of rain. Take a screenshot because this I want to rub because now it is double. Okay, but before that, triple digit also I want to do 198. 198 cube. It is 200 minus 2 cube. So that will be a minus b cube minus 3ab square plus 3ab square minus b cube. Okay. So now that is 198, it is 200 minus 2. So 200 cube minus 3. 200, 1 time a square, b means 2, 1 time a, so 200, then square, 200 square, now this time 2 square. 198 is equal to 200 minus 2. So your a is 200, your b is 2. So wherever a, substitute 200, 200, 200. Wherever b, substitute 2, 2, 2. 3 times. Now try to get the answer. 200 cube means 2 to the 4 to the 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 20, 20, 20. But because it is cube. 2 to the 4 to the 8, 3 are 12. And here 20 square means 20, 20. Square means double time, cube means triple time. 2 to the 4 to the 8, 3 are 12. 2 to the 4 to the 8. Now this plus this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 0. Now add this and this. Now subtract. Eight, 0, 2, 1, 2, 1, 8. So this is a cube of 198. Uh, 21,21,208. If you will take the cube root, it will be 198. So with the number also, you can use this formula, plus formula also, minus formula also. And in next topic, we have to combine both the formula a plus b and a minus b overall. So two different numbers are given, so this we will do separate, this we will do separate, and in between if it is add plus, so we will add, if it is minus, so we will subtract. So in starting of this lecture I have given formula list. That formula list we have to buy at, because that is very 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 important. Correct. For the Teachers Day celebration, there are some competition that which madam will or your class teacher will send to you, and